Today I'm in the delightful town of Yountville, California, which is up in the Napa Valley. And the reason that I'm up here and not in Los Angeles is because I'm pet sitting for my brother. So I get an escape from the city, and there's no place better than Napa. Lots of wine. So let's see what we can see here. Yountville is only about a mile long, but it's actually a town, and it's an adorable town to walk through. It's the town where you can find the French Laundry, which is probably the most chic restaurant you can find in the world. And it's just right down the street here. It's walking through this adorable little park, and it's got a lot of different sculptures and art installations, which makes it kind of special. Look at all the pretty flowers. And there's actually some redwood trees here. It's amazing. Just little ones, but they're still redwoods, which is pretty cool. Look at all the beautiful flowers. And here we have a statue of fish. It's called the Hatch. And here's another statue. Look how cute it is. Just adorable. This is the Vintage House, which is a very nice place to stay if you're looking for a hotel. And of course, when you're in the Napa Valley, there's plenty of tasting rooms. This line right here is going into Bouchon Bakery. People are getting some sweet stuff. This brick building is called the Vintage Marketplace. It's very beautiful around Christmas when they have the lighting ceremony. I've been there many times. And it's a shopping mall. It's just got a bunch of really cool little stores inside of it. Some restaurants, some wineries, all kinds of fun stuff. There's another view of the Vintage Marketplace. I'll have to go inside to check it out. This is the courtyard. They have some parties out here, I can imagine. And look, ooh, I'm coming here. This hotel is called the Railway Inn, and you actually stay in a train car. I stayed here once. It was very cool. It's a really interesting place to stay if you're looking for something unique. Here you can have your chakras balanced. Everybody needs that, right? Now we got another wine tasting room. I feel a little sorry for this guy. He's got a fork up his torso. This statue is called the Chef, so I guess it's appropriate. And I'm in this beautiful park. Look at this completely gnarly tree. I love this tree. And it's right across the street from the Bistro Genti. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Genti? As we walk through this pretty park with this cute bus stop. There's another art installation. Now we're passing by the spa. This is definitely some place you want to go if you want to relax and have an amazing time. Kind of out of my budget, but it's definitely some place you want to go if you can afford it. Love the little fountain there. Here's a pretty vineyard right at the end of the town with a sculpture. There's another sculpture right next to this gorgeous little vineyard. This restaurant across the street is called Ad Hoc, and it's owned by the same people that own the French Laundry. It's supposed to be really, really good. The town post office has a mushroom garden, but obviously it's not something you would actually eat. It's made out of stone. I think that's kind of a cool idea. I would definitely call this town artsy, wouldn't you? This sculpture is called Sidewalk Judge. Kind of looks judge-like to me. There's some more street art. Butterflies. Oh wow, can we squawk? This is called macaw. I used to take care of a macaw. It seemed like it was almost as big as this one. Well, not quite, but it was still kind of scary. Look at this adorable French inn. It's called Maison Fleurie. Anyway, just right in the middle of Yountville, and it makes you feel like you're in France. Here's the famous French Laundry. It's a very expensive restaurant. You gotta have lots of money to go in there. And across the street is their urban produce garden. It's pretty amazing, so you know that everything that you get is organic and fresh. So they're growing all kinds of stuff in here. It's so beautiful. They grow a lot too. This is a map of all of the stuff that they're growing there and where it is. I'll never remember all that, but ooh, I love this garden. I want it. I want it for my house. Look at all the basil. Ooh, pretty. I can smell it. I'm getting hungry now. Could somebody please take me to the French Laundry for dinner? Some more basil. Lots of pesto sauce being made here. We've got, looks like rosemary. And in the middle are roses. Or, no, not roses. Looks like chrysanthemums or something like that. Lots of tomatoes getting started here. Get some good ideas on how to grow them. Looks like zucchini. Ooh, fresh zucchini. Nothing better than that, especially the small ones. Okay, I'm inspired. Shadier spot, we've got things like dill, it looks like. Maybe cilantro. It's growing so nice. I can't get this to grow in Los Angeles because it keeps bolting. But this looks nice and fresh and really, really yummy. So I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Yountville. It's only about a mile walk, I think, up and down. It's so pretty and very artsy. And even though it's a pretty small town, it is definitely worth a visit. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next tour.